guys! So for today's video, we are going to discuss example number 5 of the inscribed angle and its intercepted arc. Now we have here circle B and the measure of arc AC is equal to 60 degrees. Now we have to identify the measure of angle ABC, which is what kind of angle? Correct, central angle. Kasi yung vertex nga is at the center. And the measure of angle ADC, which is what kind of angle? An inscribed angle. Bakit? Kasi yung vertex nga is on the circle. Now, we are going to apply the central angle and intercepted arc postulate kasi meron tayong central angle dito na hinahanap and given tayo ng intercepted arc na. Since we know that the central angle is equal to its intercepted arc, kung ang intercepted arc natin ay 60 degrees, it follows that the measure of the central angle is also correct, 60. So, pareho lang sila ha. Tandaan yun. Central angle and intercepted arc are equal. Now, we have to identify the measure of angle ABC. Okay, ito si angle ABC. Ang intercepted arc na, ito din, yung intercepted arc ng central angle natin. So, this is also 60 degrees. Now, since we know that twice the inscribed angle, we can get the measure of the intercepted arc. And the intercepted arc is 60 degrees. What are we going to do? Are we going to multiply it by 2 or divide it by 2? Since we know that yung ating inscribed angle ay mas maliit kesa sa ating intercepted arc, kasi nga doble ng inscribed angle yung intercepted arc, then we have to divide, okay? So, 60 divided by 2 is, correct, 30. Okay, tatandaan ha, kapag inscribed angle yung hinahanap, given the intercepted arc, you divide it by 2. Pero pag ang hinahanap ay intercepted arc, given the inscribed angle, you have to multiply it by 2 para hindi kayo malito. Tandaan din na yung intercepted arc is bigger than the measure of its inscribed angle. Para alam nyo kung mag-divide ba or mag-multiply by 2. Okay, now, nagets ba? Sobrang dali naman nito, diba? Madali ba? I-comment yan sa ating comment section, ha? And then, let's try this one. Okay, so what will be the value or the measure of angle ABC and the measure of angle ADC given your intercepted arc AC, which is 120 degrees. You try to solve, ha? And don't forget to follow for more math videos. And remember that sharing is caring. Bye!